Hello students, very most important topic, that is hydration of alkenes. Hydration of alkenes means that is addition of water to alkenes. So now here alkenes, generally alkenes reaction with dilute H2SO4 or H2O in the presence of H plus or H3O plus or acidic hydration. These are the important reactions of alkenes. Generally alkenes are do not react with water directly. It is very most important, student. Alkenes are do not react with water directly. Now take the example CH2 double bond CH2. When ethylene react with water, what happens here? There is no reaction. Why? Because of this H2O act as nucleophile. This H2O act as nucleophile and ethylene also act as nucleophile. So you remember, student, both nucleophiles, these both nucleophiles are cannot react with directly. That is the reason, student. So here ethylene cannot react with water directly. So here when ethylene react with water in the presence of acid catalyst, it gives to a alcohols. It is very most important, student. That is called as hydration of alkenes. That is our acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. When water is react with alkenes in the presence of acid catalyst, that means H plus. Once again, students, ethylene cannot react with water directly, but when ethylene react with water in the presence of acid catalyst, so that's why it is called as the acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Now take the example, student. This ethylene react with H2O. What happens to there is no reaction. Now take the example now here. One second. CH3 CH double bond CH2 in the presence of dilute H2SO4 or H plus by water. We will take out of these two, we should take any one, dilute H2SO4 or H plus by water. We get what is the product, student? That is CH3. Generally this bond shifting this side. So what is the product? That is CH3 CH OH then CH3. This is the product, student. This is the product. So now I will write mechanism. What is the conclusion this reaction? I am writing here mechanism. Take the dilute H2SO4. This dilute H2SO4 on ionization means that breaking on ionized to give H plus and HSO4 minus. This H plus is called as electrophile. In this reaction, CH3 CH double bond CH2, CH3 CH double bond CH2. So now first step, what happens, student? Here double bond is there, that pi bond is there. This pi bond is always that is weak bond. So this bond shifting towards and right hand side. In first step is what happens, that is bond breaking. So generally we bond shifting towards right side only. Why? Because of this plus I group is there. This plus I group is always electron releasing group. So that's why this bond shifting towards right hand side only. So we get that is CH3 CH plus, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. In first step, what to do, student? Here in first step is electrophile, that is H plus. This H plus from H2SO4, first attacker is H plus. This H plus will attacks negative charge side. H plus will attack, that is negative charge. This H plus, which is called as, it is called as electrophile. So what happens, that is CH3 CH plus then CH3. It is the intermediate carbocation, that is 2 degree carbocation, that means secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation is intermediate carbocation is formed, that is stable carbocation is formed. And after that, student, here after that now addition of water, that is H2O. Now take the water molecule. This H2O having 2 lone pairs are there. This H2O having 2 lone pairs, here positive charge is there. So here this H plus always attract the electrons. This H plus, sorry, this positive charge, this positive charge always will attract the lone pair of electrons. So here this H2O will attack this position. So what is the intermediate, what is the compound student, what is the compound? CH3, CH, OH2, then CH3, this oxygen getting positive charge, CH3, CH, OH2, then CH3, and after that student here, after that what happens student here, this OH2, that means OH, this H2O will attack this positive charge side. Why? Because of this positive charge is electron deficiency. So this positive charge will attract the lone pair of electrons. So this H2O will attack this position. What happened that after that, this remove the H plus, remove the one H plus from OH2, remove the H plus from here, that is remove the one H plus minus H plus. So what is the final product student? That is CH3, CH, then OH. This is the product, this is the final product. This is called 2-hydroxypropane, that is 2-propanol. This is the final product student. See here, what is the role of H plus? Here, what is the role of H plus? This role of H plus means that is act as catalyst. This H plus act as catalyst is very most important student. This H plus act as a catalyst. So what about this H plus? This H plus, this H plus, this is this H plus, this H plus react with, already we did, that is I take, already we did that HSO4 minus, HSO4 minus, we get final compound, we get, that is original position. This H plus will come back, this H plus will come back, already one H plus used from H2SO4. After that complete the reaction, this H plus will come back, this H plus again react with HSO4 minus to give a H2SO4. This is the final equation reaction, final equation student. So in this hydration of alkenes, this hydration of alkenes called as acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes, acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes. Why? Because of here this H plus in this compound, in this reaction, H plus act as catalyst. So that's why it is called as acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. This is a very most important student. So this is the simple trick student. Now take the one more example student here, one more example, that is CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2 in the presence of H plus by water. What is the product? Generally bond shifting towards right hand side. We get CH3, CH2, CH plus, then CH2 minus. In the first step, what happens to that is, first step is electrophile will add this H plus. This H plus will attack this position. So we get that is CH3, CH2, CH plus, then CH3. It is the intermediate carbocation is formed, which is secondary carbocation is formed. This secondary carbocation is stable due to the hyperconjugation. Intermediate secondary carbocation is formed. After that student, what happens student, that is after that, now here H2O is there, add the water molecule H2O. H2O having two lone pairs. So here this positive charge will attract the electrons always. So here this positive charge will attract the H2O. We get what is the product student, that is CH3, CH2, CH, OH2, then CH3. This oxygen getting positive charge, O plus and OH2. This is the product student. After that here, after that what happens student, that is this one minus, that is one H plus remove from OH2 minus H plus, remove the H plus from here, remove the H plus from OH2. We get final product is CH3, CH2, CH, OH, then CH3 by H plus. This is the very most important student. What is the role of catalyst? What is the role of H plus? This H plus act as catalyst. What is the role of H plus? Means this H plus always act as catalyst. So alkenes are do not react with water directly. Once again students, alkenes do not react with water directly, but in the presence of acid catalyst, alkenes are react with water. Once again student, alkenes are react with water in the presence of acid catalyst. Acid catalyst, this is very most important student. It is also follow the Markovnikov rule student. So here in first step is what happens, that is student, that is first step is bond breaking. Then after that second step is electrophile will added in the negative charge side to form a, that is this step is called rate determining step, RDS, or slow step. To form a intermediate carbocation is formed. Intermediate carbocation, that is secondary carbocation is formed. After that add the water molecule. This water molecule having two lone pairs are there here. This secondary carbocation, that means positive charge will attract always lone pair of electrons. So this H2O will attack this position. We get that is OH2 plus. After that this H plus will come back. Remove the H plus from here, remove the H plus from OH2. So we get remove the one minus H plus, we get the secondary alcohols. What about this H plus? This H plus again react with HSO4 minus, we get the final product. So this is a simple trick student. Here H plus, what is the role of H plus? The role of H plus is act as catalyst. What is the role of H plus? This role of H plus act as a catalyst. It is very most important for NEET and other competitive exams. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.